Hey there tech fans, today I'll show you how you can easily use the DJI Mic 2 to wirelessly record audio on the brand new Osmo Action 5 Pro. Because when DJI originally designed the Mic 2 solution, they really thought of everything. They engineered this to be a totally universal wireless microphone kit that you can use to record audio on virtually any device. Now if you have the full kit, it comes with a digital receiver that has a 3.5mm port on the side that you can use to connect this directly to a DSLR camera, a laptop, or really any device that can accept analog audio through a 3.5mm connection. And once you make that connection to the device, the microphone will connect to the receiver over a proprietary 2.4 5.8 Wi-Fi frequency and guarantee a rock-solid connection between the mic and the receiver for thousands of feet. So it's a great connection, it records wonderful audio. But they didn't stop there. They also include two adapters with this kit. One of them converts this directly to a USB-C connection, which you can plug into a wide variety of Android devices and other products to record audio directly. They also include an Apple adapter that you can connect to the device and plug it into a wide range of Apple products. But they didn't stop there. The microphone can pivot between a Bluetooth connection and that proprietary Wi-Fi connection, depending on how you have it set. So if you're using the digital receiver, you'll use that Wi-Fi connection. If you want to connect up to the Osmo Action 5, you'll use the Bluetooth connection. Now, the Bluetooth connection doesn't give you as great a distance as the Wi-Fi connection, but it's still perfectly fine if you're going to be in close to the camera. And let's be honest, if you're using an action camera, you're going to be within 50 feet of that camera. So I'll show you today how you can pivot between the Wi-Fi connection that you'll need for that digital receiver and the Bluetooth connection you'll use with the Osmo Action 5. And it's incredibly easy to do. So if you stay tuned next, I'll actually do a hands-on and show you how you can make that connection. And then I'll come back one more time at the end and explain some real benefits of using this microphone with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. The first thing you'll want to do is to make sure that the microphone is powered on. And to do that, hold down on the power button until you feel the microphone vibrate. You'll also see the icon come on the side. The next thing you'll need to do is to access the main settings menu on the Osmo Action 5. And to do that from the back touchscreen, simply pull down from the top, and in the upper right hand corner you'll see an icon that looks like a nut. Tap that, and that brings up all the settings you can make adjustments to for the camera. The one you're looking for is wireless microphone. Tap that, and that'll bring up a screen showing you the current connection status for both of the external microphones. Now, one advantage the Osmo Action 5 provides is you can connect two Mic 2s to the camera at the same time, which is great for interviews because that way you can have one on your lapel and the second one on your guest lapel. Both of those microphones will send audio to the camera over that Bluetooth connection where it's recorded simultaneously. So decide which of these you'd like to connect the mic up to. Let's call this Mic 1. We'll pick TX1. And then a little tutorial comes up showing you what you have to do. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure the mic is powered up, and then you'll hold the record button until that icon turns blue. There it is. And the next thing you'll do is tap the connection button right there, the Bluetooth connection button, until it flashes quickly. And that should be it. Now they're talking. Any second the connection will pop up. There you go. And it tells you you've connected it, and it's ready for audio input. Now you confirm it, and there you go. You can see my audio already coming through. Now if you had a second microphone, you could do the exact same procedure to connect that to transmitter 2, and that way you'll have two microphones that again are both sending audio simultaneously to the camera, which is great for that second channel of recording. And it really is just that easy to get it working. Then you can back out of the menu, back to the main screen. I hope that short demonstration was helpful. And you can see that it's really easy to pivot between a Bluetooth connection that you can use with the Action 5 and the Pocket 3 and that wireless connection you'll use with the receiver to connect to all your other devices. Now, one other feature that the Bluetooth connection provides is DJI actually allows you to start and stop a recording or take a picture from the microphone. So if you have this on your lapel, you just hit the Bluetooth connection button right here on the side. I've got it in video mode right now. Now listen closely. I'll hit the button. It started a recording. So if I'm away from the microphone, I can actually start and stop the recording from that distance away. I can take a picture from the same distance. And to stop it, I'll just tap the button again, listen. There you go. So I think using the Bluetooth connection gives me great audio. It allows me to keep the microphone completely sealed so I can use it in watery conditions and not worry about water getting into one of the ports. And I really like the fact that they've added that feature where I can start and stop a recording directly from the microphone. And it really is just that easy to get it working. So hopefully you found this review helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching.